Well, hey, good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine and swing out of my kitchen and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I'm going to sit there and show you just how easy it is to mix up a bulk mix of buckwheat pancake mix. That's right. I'm going to sit there and show you just how easy it is to make your very own. And instead of going to the store and paying the high bucks for that overpriced pancake mix, we're going to make this for pennies. So grab a hold of that vine and swing into my kitchen and let's get cooking. Good looking. Well, hey there, good looking. I'm so glad you came to my kitchen. Today, let's go ahead and make a master mix of buckwheat pancake mix. So what you're going to be needing is 4 cups of buckwheat flour. You're going to be needing 4 cups of whole wheat flour. Oops, I'm sorry if I bumped the camera. And we're going to be needing 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Just wait, we're not even near done. Then you're going to be needing half a cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Now, you may hear my animals in the background. I like to call it the bewitching hour because this is when my cats are really rowdy and they do play a lot. So if you hear scampering behind me, it's just my cats. 1 tablespoon baking soda, and then we're going to be needing 2 tablespoons salt. And here are 2 tablespoons of salt. And then we're going to sit there and grab a wooden spoon and give this all a good mix. So let's go ahead, lay our spoons down, grab a wooden spoon, and go ahead and mix this all up. I'll be back when I'm all done mixing this all up. Now that we have this all mixed up, I want you to go ahead and grab yourself an airtight container. Well, I have myself one here. I'm going to sit to take the cover off, move my scoop. I hope this is all in camera's view. If not, I'm sorry. Now, I have my nice little scoop here, and I'm just going to sit there and scoop all this into my container here. And next time you see me, or you might be seeing my husband, because this was his thing in the family. Usually on the weekends, he would always, and I mean always, and this is for the last 30 plus some years, he would sit there and make the kids either waffles or pancakes. And my family always loved buckwheat pancake mix. Well, within the last decade, it really got to be hard to find, especially where we live. I don't know where you all live, if it's still rarely available, but where I'm from, it was getting harder and harder to find. I mean, I could find it when I would go out to the Amish. And, well, why should I sit there and pay for something that I know I can make myself? I'm going to be showing you in the next part of this video of how we would use this master buckwheat pancake mix-up. So I'm going to finish scooping all this in. Well, I guess I'm going to be showing you how to do this. So I grabbed out my husband's waffle iron / griddle / panini press and a whole bunch of other things. Yes, folks, I'm just not the only one in my kitchen that has their gadgets. My hubby has his own as well. So I'm gonna sit there while we're mixing up our buckwheat pancake mix or waffle mix, whatever you're going to be doing. I'm going to show you how to do the pancakes. We're going to sit there and get my griddle going. We're going to be needing 1 cup of that buckwheat pancake mix that we made. So let's go ahead and get some out. Okay. I'm dumping it in there. And now, because we need to use buttermilk in our buckwheat pancake mix, I'm going to sit there and I'm using the powdered. But I want to give you a nice little tip and trick. Whenever we're using the powdered buttermilk, go ahead, measure out whatever dry ingredients of the buttermilk that we would need and put it in with the dry. Mix that all up, and then we're going to sit there and add the liquid ingredients. So this recipe calls for 1 cup of buttermilk, so that would require me to sit there and measure out 4 tablespoons of the buttermilk powder here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do that. Okay, now I have my whisk, and we're going to sit there and mix everything all up. So go ahead and mix it all up. Now it needs 1 egg. So let's go ahead, put the 1 egg in. We're going to be needing 1 tablespoon of oil. So let me grab my tablespoon and my oil. Put that all in there. And then last, we're going to be needing 1 cup of water. And here's the 1 cup of water. Now let's go ahead and mix that all up. Okay, I heated up our griddle. And now let's just put some pancake batter down and make up some pancakes. Now you're going to want them to bubble up on top, such as this one here. Okay, I think it's time for us to flip them. Oh yeah.
Hey Ma, brush fire. Can you see out?
Yeah.
Can you see the cloud?
Oh yeah. Wow. Okay, let's remove these, and I'm gonna serve them to my husband. I'm sorry I didn't put them on a fancy plate, but and there you go. There's your buckwheat pancakes. So I'm gonna let you all go so I can enjoy these little babies up with my husband. Now, there you go. That's how easy it is to make the buckwheat pancakes, and it was all made from scratch. No bot pancake mix. All homemade, baby.
Well, I just showed you how easy it was to make the bulk buckwheat pancake mix, and I showed you all the savings that you could make at the same time, and then I showed you how to sit there and use our bulk buckwheat pancake mix up and make them delicious buckwheat pancakes. So now, if you like what you saw here today, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. And if you're a new subscriber to my channel, welcome to my channel here. And if you're not, go ahead, subscribe today, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And thank you for taking the time to watch my video here. And y'all come back now, you hear? Happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings.